Every time you hit regenerate, you are not improving your result. You're destroying it. You're wiping out all the context, all the thread, all the momentum you built up. You're asking AI to start completely cold with zero memory of what came before. That single button is the reason most people get the same mediocre answer over and over and over again. Here's what's actually happening when you hit regenerate. The model doesn't try harder. It doesn't think deeper. In fact, it just samples a different response from the same prompt, which had the same problem that produced the bad output in the first place. You're not fixing the input, guys. You're rolling the dice again, and you're probably going to get a very similar result. So let me help you kill this myth right now. Regenerating gives you a different answer, not a better one. Better only comes from better input. If your prompt was vague, regenerating gives you a different vague answer. If your prompt was missing context, regenerating gives you a different context-free answer. The problem isn't the output, guys. The problem was always the input. The technique that's going to help us is called the iterative prompting. And power users use this every single session. Instead of regenerating, you stay in the same thread and give the model a refinement instruction, a targeted command that builds on what it already produced. The AI remembers everything in the thread, every message, every output, every piece of context you have shared previously. When you refine inside the thread, you're stacking improvements, right? When you regenerate, you're starting from zero. So here's the exact formula, guys. 3 types of refinement commands that cover 90% of what you'll ever need. Type 1 is the scope. For example, make this 30% shorter, or expand point 3 with a real example. The type 2 is the tone. Rewrite this in a casual conversational tone, or for example, make this sound more authoritative, right? Type 3 is target. Now, for example, rewrite this specifically for a freelancer with no budget, or adapt this for a B2B audience. These are the 3 command types. That's the whole toolkit. Quick pause before the demo, guys. If this is already clicking with you, please subscribe. I cover prompt engineering techniques like this regularly, completely for free. It's just one click and you won't miss the next one. Now, let me show you what this looks like when I tried this out. I'm going to start with the vague prompt here, the kind most people actually type. For example, something like, write me a LinkedIn post about productivity. And watch the output I got, right? It's generic, it's forgettable, could have been written by anyone and for anyone, right? Now watch what happens when I hit regenerate. It's slightly different. It has the same energy, but the same mediocrity, right? If I regenerate again, it does the same thing. Nothing is improving because I haven't given it any new information to work with. Now watch the iterative approach, right? I start with that same basic prompt, I get the generic output. Now instead of regenerating, I refine. I say something like, make this 40% shorter and remove all the buzzwords. It starts to get better. Now I say, rewrite the opening line so it leads with a counterintuitive statement. Now you're talking. It's getting much better. And if I add another refinement, I say something like, add a specific story about a freelancer losing a client to make it feel real. That's 3 refinement steps, each one building on the last, and each one moving the output closer to something I'd actually publish. You cannot get this result by regenerating, right? Because each step required memory from the step before. Now, here's a second myth I want you to kill today. People think you need to write the perfect prompt before you ever send it. So they spend like 10 minutes crafting this elaborate instruction block and then feel defeated when the output still isn't right. So let me break this to you guys. You don't need a perfect prompt. You just need a good enough start. Iterative prompting is how professionals actually work. Their first message is direction. Their second message is correction. And the third message is polish, right? The prompt is a conversation, guys. It's not a one-shot transaction. So here's the mindset shift that makes everything click. The conversation thread is not a container for messages. It's a living memory. Every time you add a message, the model has more to work with. It has more context. It has more constraints. It has more examples of your voice and your goals. A long thread with good refinement steps is worth more than 10 fresh sessions with perfect sounding prompts. So stop treating threads as disposable. Start treating them as assets. Now, this works across every professional use case. Let me give you just 3. For example, email drafts, right? You could say something like, write a follow-up email to a client who went quiet. Then refine it. You could say something like, make it shorter, make it warmer tone, add a specific call to action. It's all done in 3 steps. You could also do this with reports, right? Start with a bullet point summary, then refine it. You can ask it to convert it to paragraphs. You could adjust the reading level. You could add an executive summary. So you could add more steps and get a polished report. You could also apply this to strategy documents, right? Start with a rough idea, then refine it, right? For example, punch holes in it, add counter arguments, restructure for a specific audience, right? The document gets smarter with every message. It is the same technique, but better output. So here's your one action for this week. Take the last AI output you were unhappy with, something you regenerated like 3 times and gave up on, right? Paste it into a new session. Instead of editing the prompt, write one targeted refinement command. For example, make this shorter, right? Or rewrite the tone or add a specific example. Do that 3 times in a row and watch what happens to the output. That's the whole technique. And once you feel it working, you'll never hit regenerate the same way again. All right, guys, before we close, drop a comment below with this. What's the last output you kept regenerating instead of refining? I read every comment and it really helps shape what I cover next. And if you found this useful, please hit subscribe. The next technique is one of the most well-researched in the field, and almost nobody outside of AI engineering knows it exists. Because here's the thing, even with all of these techniques, AI is still often skipping the hard thinking. It gives you the first plausible answer, not the right one. So next video, I'm going to show you a single 5-word phrase that forces the model to actually reason through a problem before it responds. It's called chain of thought prompting, and it changes the quality of every analytical answer you'll ever get. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.